Most of us know that the United States is made up of 50 states. However, did you know that the country is made up of 5 regions? Imagine that you're working on a puzzle of the United States. However, this puzzle is not made up of 50 pieces, but 5 big pieces. As you look at each large piece, you realize it contains several states stuck together. Well, each piece is an area of land, or what we call a region of the United States. How do we decide what states belong together? We look for common features or characteristics. It is like taking all of the kids in your class and sorting them by a common characteristic, like hair color. Only with states, we look for common features such as where each is located in North America. The location also plays a big part in what types of natural resources, land features, forests, mountains, deserts, etc., climates, weather over a long period of time, or cultures can be found there. Here is an interesting fact about the Northeast. When it comes to land size, the Northeast is the smallest region, but it contains the states with the highest population.